Hey friends, it is Samara here, wishing you a very happy new year. This month, I'm going to be using Cartabella's wine collection, which is absolutely adorable. So let's start off by checking out these papers. This floral paper is so gorgeous, as well as that pink pattern paper. This stripe, yummy. Oh my gosh, a drink cart, how perfect. And I'm loving this purple paper, this little cheese board. We also get a full sheet of stickers, which you know I love, along with 2 sheets of cream color cardstock. I also will be using a little bit of the embellishment kit, which comes with these really cute paper embellishments. There is quite an assortment there. And then in the pattern paper kit, you get these 2 pattern papers, which are so cute. Loving those balloons. So this month, my assignment is to use the sketch, which is such a wonderful sketch by Rochelle. So I'm going through my photos and I'm deciding whether or not I want to use my professional photos or the selfies I just took at the table. I did go on a solo cruise, which was one of the most empowering things I have ever done. So highly encourage you to vacation on your own. It was great. So I'm just kind of laying out some of my papers here, deciding what I want to do. And I will be using the cream color cardstock as my base. And then I need to decide which of the other papers I would like to use. So I do love that patterned pink paper there, so I will be using that. And then the next paper I need to decide is the ribbon, which I'll decide later. So let's trim down this cream color cardstock. So just cutting off that branding strip. And then my photos. So in the sketch has more of square photos, but I am working with rectangular photos. I did not want to reprint these. I've been going to a lot of events lately, so I've been doing a lot of printing my photos ahead of time. So I'm trying to just adjust to what I have. So you can see I cut off the top of the photo here, and now I'm just going to basically glue it back together to in order to maintain that border. So it's a fun little trick. Really keeps you from wasting your paper. In the past, I would have trimmed this and then stuck it down to white cardstock to leave a border. But here you can't even tell once it's down on the paper. I do like to leave that thin border again. I just think it makes your photo look a little bit more complete. See, you can't even tell that I doctored that. And then we'll do this photo here. So I am going to measure it so that my photos are about the same size. And again, just Frankensteining this together. Perfect. So as I was saying, I did go on a solo cruise. I had just had my 6 month, was it my 6 month or my year? I want to say it was my 6 month appointment for my cancer treatment. And I went home and well, first of all, I got great news at the doctor. So I went home and just scheduled a vacation and I left that weekend for, I think I did 4 days. I went to Ensenada and Catalina Island. So here I am looking at my sketch and I'm going to decide which of my papers I'm going to use. So again, I really loved this paper here, but I was having a hard time because I knew that I was going to cut the opposite side of those florals, and I do love those florals. But I'm loving the contrast between the pink and the blue in my dress. So we'll cut that paper to be just, let's see, 8 3/4 by 12. Actually, it's not going to be by 12. I'm going to be cutting off a portion of that. So I end up going 8 3/4 by 10. And that will go up into that top corner there. My photos will be somewhere in that area. And let's go ahead and glue that down. If you're wondering, I had just got my nails painted and they looked incredible. I was absolutely loving them. And then I totally forgot that I had a sleep study, so I had to take the polish off of one of my nails, which is so ridiculous. Fortunately, the next day I went back to the salon and they fixed it up for me. So because this scalloped banner does not go all the way across the page, I am going to cheat it. So I'm just going to put the cut right there in the middle, and then the banner that I'll be putting on the paper will cover the middle of this. So it will look like this sticker is the full 12 inches across. And you guys, I know that I have glare from my the lighting that I use. And unfortunately, that's just not something I'm able to fix right now, especially while I'm upstairs in my alternate studio as I'm waiting for the repair of our downstairs. And yes, still waiting. This pink paper comes from the pattern paper kit. It is so cute. I really am enjoying a tone on tone. So here I pull out one of my punches. This is just a banner punch, and I'm just notching out that banner. Look at that, perfect. All right, so we're just gonna pop this up using just one length of foam adhesive down the middle here. And we'll start that up from the top, lining that up, and then just going straight down. And again, covering that break in that sticker. Oh my gosh, look at how lovely this is. It's so feminine, so perfect. Just by choosing more of the pastel pinky papers, I was able to make this very feminine. So still keeping an eye on my sketch off to the side there. The next thing I'm going to do is take a look at my stickers from the main kit. But before we do that, we're going to actually commit this photo down, which is crazy. Oh, just kidding. We're going to add some foam off to one side because the banner is already up on the other side. We just need a little bit of foam off to the right to make it stand out. I shouldn't say stand out, to make it level. And then we'll add some foam to the top photo. I do deviate from this sketch just a tiny bit by adding, by overlapping my photos here. But remember that the challenges are suggestions. They are not, you don't have to follow them exactly. Take your spin on them. Perfect. Love that. So how many of you are using the sketches? I would encourage you to use a sketch at least once per month because, again, it's going to give you that quick layout. So something that you don't really have to think about too much. You're just going to, get your pictures down and get your memories recorded. I love this little frame that matches the scalloped border perfectly. So I am going to use that. These embellishments come from the embellishment kit. And I am going to just trim out this little frame just a tiny bit so that I can fit it underneath my photos. So So I decide that I like it like this. So just making a couple little surgical cuts there to the die cut. All right, who else has this little spatula tool? It's my favorite tool. I talk about it every month. So as I was saying, I had booked that cruise. It was part of my cancer journey. Fortunately, my cancer journey hopefully is complete. That all of the cancer was removed. I'm still under care of a doctor. I go every 6 months, and this month will be my very last appointment for, I think I moved to 2 years. So this is exciting. I'm very lucky, I know. Let's go ahead and add in some of these stickers from the sticker sheet. And I'm just going to go ahead and powder up this tool using my, I think it's the We Are Memory Keepers powder tool. You could also, I've said this before, take like a little tin of baby powder. That's all that's in there. You don't need anything magical. So I loved that little floral sticker. I'm pulling out a couple other floral stickers. There's some grapes as well. You can always use your stickers as stickers, but I prefer to use them as die cuts. I just feel like I have a little bit more flexibility when I use them as die cuts. I am loving this sticker. It is so pretty. I love the purples in there. It brings out the blue in my dress. So funny thing about my dresses, if you follow me, if you're on any of my personal pages, my husband and I go cruising like 2-3 times a year. And I have basically the same couple of dresses that I wear. This dress is enormous on me. I bought it pre-surgery and I lost a little bit of weight, and it's like 2 sizes too big, but I keep wearing it. And I get so many compliments in this dress. It is crazy. So I was debating whether or not I'm going to order the exact same dress in my correct size or go and take this to the dressmaker and see if they can alter it down. But the reality is it wasn't a very expensive dress to begin with, so I'm not quite sure if I want to invest the money in that. So loving that frame with the photos on top, the little cheers to us. I should have crossed out the us and put cheers to me. That would have been fun. So now I am just taking a look at my embellishments here. Again, looking for something else. So loving this little wine glass there. Even though I was drinking a white wine, the red wine glass is perfect. And I also love this little grape sticker. So let's figure out how to get that on there. So in the sketch, you'll notice that there's a little button on the bottom photo. First of all, I hate buttons, so you will never see me use a button. It's maybe a little bit of a phobia. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's just now just a funny thing. But instead of a button, I go ahead and use this floral sticker, and then I use the grapes next to it, just kind of hanging off to the side. Now I'm going back to the sticker sheet and I'm trying to decide, is there anything else that I want to pull out from here? And I love these little labels. So I pull those out and I use them towards the top of the layout, very much like the sketch. And you guys, I'm like a giraffe or like a baby cow with new legs. I have nails and I'm not used to nails and I struggle big time. So loving those. I have Wine Happens and Wine a Little, Laugh a Lot. This was perfect. I sat with these two wonderful men who we had dinner together. It was an older gentleman and his younger caretaker. And we laughed all the way through dinner and just had such an amazing time. And at the end of the dinner, the older gentleman, he said, "You are such a wonderful human. May I hug you?" And of course, I hugged this man, and I have thought about him so much over the last year or 2 years. And I really should have taken his name and kept in touch because he just had such an incredible story. So here we go. We are all finished. I sure hope you enjoyed this just as much as I enjoyed making it. And again, Happy New Year to you all.